We're Jenna and Jeremy, travelers, creators, and digital nomads.
We've made some crazy life choices that have led to some of the most fulfilling years of our lives, and we're thrilled to share it with you.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of this incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. In case you missed the last video, it's all about our time exploring Tuscany, and you can check that out by clicking right up here. Before heading to Capri, we did spend a few days in the capital city of Italy, Rome, aka the Eternal City. There are 280 fountains and more than 900 churches here. Nearly 700,000 euros worth of coins are tossed into the Trevi each year. The proceeds are donated to those in need. 7 to 10 million tourists visit Rome annually. We also visited the Vatican City, which is technically its own country and is home to St. Peter's Basilica, which is the largest church in the world. Incredible. As we continue south to the main highlight of the video, just a reminder to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. The ferry to Capri took just under an hour and cost around $30 each way. We found a place in Capri with free shuttle and breakfast for about $87 a night. This island has been inhabited since around the year 8 BC. Only around 7,000 people live here, but an astonishing 2 million people visit every year. Yes, the caprese salad originated from the hillside farms of Capri. The roads are so narrow that the island's government banned tourists from driving here in the summer. We're starting at the Blue Grotto on the northwestern part of the island, where you can pay to take rowboat tours into the caves. We took the bus here and then hiked all the way south along the coast. Quick look at all trails. Sentiero dei Fortini Faro Punta Carena, a 3.4-mile point-to-point aka one-way hike with 662 feet of elevation gain, and then you take the bus back up to Capri. Wear good shoes because it's definitely a rocky, uneven trail. We did this in the afternoon so we could watch the sunset from the lighthouse at the southwestern endpoint. That said, you're exposed most of the way, so definitely hat, sunscreen, sunglasses, and check out the old coastal forts along the way. This is the Orico fort that Napoleon's army first took in their conquest of Capri. There's also the Messola fort, which the English built and was then stormed by the French in 1808. Not so fun fact, when the bubonic plague hit in the 17th century, only 755 people lived here. The epidemic killed around half the population, and the monks remained isolated, living confined in their charter house. Residents resented the monks and actually threw diseased corpses over the monastery walls. Whoa. We timed the hike pretty perfectly to reach the lighthouse just before sunset. Lido del Faro is the name of the spot here, with a pool, loungers, and a seafood restaurant with cocktails. The Punta Carena Lighthouse has been active since 1867, took around 5 years to build, and is 92 feet tall. Apparently, Capri was first inhabited by the Greeks. In 1882, they found remains of buildings on both sides of the island, carbon dated back to 8 BC. There are plenty of fish to catch in these waters, and you can take fishing tours if you like. We were here in October with temperatures ranging from maybe 63 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. One of the most recognizable sights in Capri are the Faraglioni cliffs, which you can actually see on the right in the distance. We'll be there tomorrow at sunset for another great flight. And just like that, we fast forwarded to the next evening on the southeast side of the island along the Belvedere del Pizzo Lungo, which can be walked right from the downtown Capri area. We're walking to check this beautiful natural arch out and plenty of rugged coastline. By the way, bug spray is a good idea here. Faraglioni is stunning. These massive rocks are just skyrocketing out of the ocean. They're seen in tons of Italian fashion commercials like Giorgio Armani and Calvin Klein. It's apparently good luck to pass through them, which can be done on a boat tour, although I think you're supposed to kiss someone. Anyway, let's roll some music and enjoy some epic views. Thank you guys so much for watching Capri from above. Man, some incredible footage and scenery. Please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more travel videos.